How to save money on Thanksgiving and Thanksgiving celebration this year. Hello everybody, welcome to 7 Savings Garden, where we talk about gardening, ways to save money, and other special events. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified of all upcoming videos. So with the price of everything going up this year and the past couple of years, it's no wonder a lot of people are struggling to pay basic necessities. So one way to save money on uh, Thanksgiving and Thanksgiving decor or Thanksgiving meal is to look for where they have cheaper prices and stuff. So one of those places is dollar store. I'm here at the dollar store, and they have quite a few things that you can use for Thanksgiving decorations, Thanksgiving gifts, or Thanksgiving meals. So we're gonna go through the store and just show you some of the stuff that they have. As you can see over here, they have decorations, and they have different decorations. If you plan to do Thanksgiving decoration or fall decoration and stuff like that, they have quite a few different things that you can add, modify, or DIY some of them to make them better and get some good decorations out of them, and be able to decorate for Thanksgiving or for Christmas with the stuff that you have that they have at the store. As you can see here, they have a variety of different things. So depending on what you want to do, or the type of decorations you're looking for, you might have to get one of them or DIY them. They have flowers over here if you need to get flowers for decoration. They also have disposable plates, cups, forks and spoons and other stuff, table covers and other stuff that you can use if you intend to have a party or have people come over. You can definitely buy some cheap table covers or plates or spoons and cutleries over here for $1, and you'll be able to achieve your goal without spending a lot of money. So definitely check it out and see what they have. So they have different selections. They have even window decorations. They have different small decorations over here that you can use to at least improve on your decoration or improve on the items that you've got. So they have table decorations, they have wall decorations, they have window decorations. So it all depends on what you want to do and what you plan to do. And check out what they have, and you might be able to get some good ideas from it, and be able to get some stuff from it that you might be able to decorate your home for Thanksgiving. So definitely something to look out for. Also, they have some nice Thanksgiving fall containers, bowls and cutleries and plates, that in case if you want to get something much better, much better than the disposable plates, you can get stuff, those glasses and bowls and plates over here. They have different cups and mugs and different things that you can definitely get for $1, that you can definitely, if you plan to entertain and you need more bowls or you need more plates, and you can definitely get the plates for. And the good thing with these ones is that you can use them year after year, especially these ceramic plates and bowls. You can use them several times, several years, so that saves you money in the long run. So it's not only decorates the table, but you're able to use them multiple times. We also have these table decorations over here. These are just ones that you just put on the table, or you can just put them on the wall and decorate for Thanksgiving, and be able to at least get some good presentation going for your Thanksgiving celebrations. So like I said, it all depends on where you are. Some Dollar Trees might not have these. Some might have even more than what we have here. So definitely check it out. As you can see, they also have drink sections. You can buy drinks, sodas and other different drinks, teas and other stuff. You can buy them for regular day, everyday use, so you can buy them for Thanksgiving celebration. So they definitely have some other foods and drink section over here that you can definitely check it out and see what they have, and you might be able to find something that you like there that you might be able to use on Thanksgiving for yourself or for your family. So definitely something to check out. They have quite a huge selection of drinks here. They also have some snacks. You can get snacks for yourself, or people that are coming to your house or your family, and be able to save money on those. Buy the snacks to entertain your guests, if in case you're gonna get some guests. So definitely they have a good selection of snacks over here. As you can see, some of them are sold out already, some of them are still there. So check out your local stores and see what they have. But they have snacks that you can get snacks for Thanksgiving celebration. Also, they have juices, and also they have candy and some other stuff that you might see that interesting, or might be something that you might be interested in it to get it. Over here on this side, they have fruits and other stuff. We have beans, canned stuff, canned foods, and different types of foods, and things that you can definitely use either as a combination or by itself to make some dishes. So you can get them to prepare your Thanksgiving meal. So like I said, it depends on what you're looking for or what you need. But check it out. If you don't check it out, you won't know what they have, and you might be able to save some money on that. Over here they have spices. You can get spices. These are all dollar spices. Same with all these condiments and other different things that they have over here. They have beans, they have rice, they have noodles and other stuff that you could definitely get over here too. So they have a good selection of items that can help you achieve your goal. Even canned corn and other stuff. They have them fruits, canned fruits. They also have them over here. Not a big selection as other stores like Walmart, but at least you might be able to find something that's interesting or that you might be able to use over here. So even on this side, they have more stuff that you could use. They have like baking things that you need, like aluminum foil, foil wraps, and other stuff that you can use for baking, and even table covers and other stuff. Aluminum foil on this side. These are all things that if you're gonna do like baking, cooking, and other stuff, you might need some of them. And most of them are gonna be around that $1 price range, so which is not bad. If in terms they also have like glasses and other things that you could use for either the cooking or the dishing or the serving. Over here they have Ziploc bags and other types of bags that you could use. They have trash bags and different variety of things that you can use in the kitchen or in the home. So if that helps you save money, then that's you go for it and you grab it and be able to save some money on it. So this is one way you can save money. Another way is if you have membership to big stores like BJ's, Sam's Clubs, those stuff. If you buy in bulk, it helps you save money too, because those things will be cheaper if you buy in bulk, and if it's something that you use for a long period of time. You can also get them and by buying in bulk, and at the end they'll be cheaper. Over here they have some table covers, they have some napkins, and they have some gloves, kitchen stuff for Christmas and Thanksgiving. So definitely something to check out and see what they have. You might be able to get that. Okay, that is it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please smash the like button. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. It helps the channel out. And don't forget to share. If you like the video, somebody else might like the video, share the video. Thank you for watching. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody.